So if you see immediately, so if you see when this fluid is moving through this system, may it be lymph capillary or lymph vessel or lymph node, when it is moving through the system, the cleaning of the fluid is taking place. How? The monocytes engulfing the pathogen and the lymphocytes producing antibodies. Is it clear? Antibodies in turn kill the pathogen. So it goes like this. Is it clear? The cleansing of these this tissue fluid is taking place. Is it clear? Okay. Now finally it is, now till here is the lymph vessel. One thing, if you remember, blood has lost water. If you see here, the fluid has come out from the blood. Is it clear? So this fluid should be returned back to the blood. Which blood it is going back to? It is going back to the blood present in the vein, which is bringing blood from our arms. Is it all right? So here the fluid which was lost by the capillary is finally returned back. It is not being returned back to the capillary, but another blood vessel, that is the vein. Is it clear? This vein goes and open into superior vena cava, anterior vena cava, and then back to the heart. That means the blood which has lost the fluid, it has got the fluid back again. Is it clear? This is what is, this is also circulating. Again, means it is back to the vein from the arms, goes to the vena cava opens into the heart. Is it all right? So that's all. This is how the fluid is circulating. Is it clear? Lymph also carry nutrients and it reaches to such tissues where blood cannot reach. This is another function of lymph. Is it all right? So this is what is lymphatic system, which consists of lymph vessels, lymph capillaries. We also call them as lacteals. Is it? Lymph capillaries join to form lymph vessels. Lymph vessels have lymph nodes where lymphocytes are produced, and several lymph vessels, a thick lymph vessel is formed where it will open into, it will go and join the vein. Is it all right? Vein bringing blood from the arm, and once it joins the vein, vein carries blood. The lymph is back into the blood again, into the circulation again. So this process continues. Is it clear? So this is what is the lymph. Now, few more terms. There are some lymphatic organs in our body. What is a lymphatic organ? This is the lymphatic system. Is it all right? Now, what are the lymphatic organs? Lymphatic organs are those organs, lymphatic organs are those organs which are concerned with the production and maturation of some WBCs. Is it clear? Repeating once more. All the organs present in our body which are concerned with production of WBC. I am not talking about, lymphatic system is totally about the immunity, of the protection of the body. So there are certain organs apart from of course bone marrow is there, which are responsible for the production and maturation, not necessarily always, and maturation of WBCs. What are WBCs meant for? For the production and maturation of blood cells. Is it clear? One or more kind of blood cells. Mainly we are concerned with WBCs here. So what are the lymphatic organs? So first is bone marrow. It is bone marrow is there. Bone marrow is there because it is producing blood cell. It is producing all kinds of blood cells, RBC, all different kinds of WBCs, platelets. Is it clear? Then comes the lymph nodes. Of course, lymph nodes are not the organs, they are just the structure. Is it clear? Remember, these are not organs. These are not organs. That's the structure where not all but lymphocytes are present. Then comes tonsils. Is it clear? Then comes spleen. There are few more which we will not be doing. There is a thymus gland which are present basically in children. There is adenoid gland present again in children. Those are not there in your book, so we are not doing. Is it clear? There are some patches in our small intestine which again does the same function. So since it is not there, we will not be doing. So what are the lymphatic organs? Organs I am talking about is the bone marrow, tonsils, spleen. Is it clear? Whereas let us do little bit about spleen. What is spleen like? Spleen is, you know, the size of your tightly closed fist. Is it clear? It is present just below your stomach. Just behind your stomach, not below, just behind your stomach. Here is your stomach, is it all right? And this is the left kidney. Left kidney means left kidney is more towards your back and stomach is in front. Is it clear? So what is the location of spleen? So it is present behind the stomach, just above the left kidney, means here. The position is such that it is behind the stomach, and behind the stomach is coming the top of left kidney. This has to be done because the location is mentioned, location is often asked. Is it clear? Okay. So spleen is present behind the stomach. It is reddish brown color organ above your left kidney. Okay. The one more thing let us do, like what is once it was asked, so that is why we are doing. So you have to prepare a blood smear. What is blood smear? With a sterilized needle, you take a drop of blood. Usually we don't take the first drop. Is it clear? We wipe the first drop of blood, and then like we put it on the slide, we stretch the blood with the help of another slide. We spread the blood with another, we let it dry, and then we put a stain. And what is the name of that stain? Is called Leishman stain. Why? What kind of stain it is? It consists of both acidic, it is a mixture of acidic and basic stain. Okay, basic stain. We don't have to do this. Is it all right? So Leishman stain, this term you have to remember. This is used to stain blood, because taking blood and seeing it directly under the microscope, nothing will be very clearly visible. So Leishman stain we let it dry for some time, we wash with distilled water, and then we see under the microscope how does it look like. Is it, this question came once, that if you see a blood smear under the microscope, how will it look like? Is it clear? You can draw like this, because if you are seeing under the microscope, the field will be a round field. Is it clear? So if you are talking about blood, what are the things you will be drawing? RBCs, more number of RBCs you will draw, because RBC you have seen they are maximum in number. Like this you will draw RBC. Is it clear? 1 or 2 WBC with whichever kind of nucleus you want to put, WBC, and platelets. Platelets will be, it doesn't have a fixed shape because they are the fragments. They should be less than, the number of platelets should be less than RBC. Is it clear? Why are less than RBC? Because RBCs are maximum in number, then comes the platelets, and then comes the WBC. Label them. These are the platelets. Okay, this is RBC, erythrocyte. These are the WBC or leukocyte. This is what is a blood smear. Is it clear? We have spread the blood, seen under microscope. That's all about. So let us just see, there are few questions which are to be, like I am reading out the question. If you can